Battery life is one of the S40's strongest assets. Real-world usage aligns closely with claims. Extended multi-day use is realistic with ANC off, while even with ANC enabled, endurance remains well above average. Fast charging adds practical value, delivering hours of playback from a short charge cycle. From the first interaction, HAYLOU S40 communicates stability and intent. The control layout is tactile and predictable, relying on physical buttons rather than touch-sensitive surfaces. Pairing is fast and consistent, with Bluetooth 6.0 offering strong connection stability and improved energy efficiency. Multi-point pairing works as expected, allowing seamless switching between devices, such as a phone and laptop, without manual intervention. The transition between ANC modes, transparency, and standard listening is immediate, with no perceptible lag. The HAYLOU S40 is a well-executed example of how modern wireless headphones should be designed in the mid-range segment. It does not rely on a single standout feature, but instead delivers a balanced ecosystem: competent ANC, convincing spatial audio with head tracking, strong battery life, and a flexible connectivity framework including LDAC and wired support.